Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about Bangalore's most impressive luxury residential development, Prestige Raintree Park, located in Whitefield East. If you are looking for spacious home, world-class amenities and excellent connectivity to Bangalore's leading IT hubs, then this project is definitely one to consider. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Prestige Raintree Park is a premium residential development by Prestige Group, one of India's most trusted real estate developer. Spread across approximately 21 acres, this landmark project offers 1,326 premium residences across 18 high-rise towers. Each tower has two basements, a ground floor, and 19 residential floors, and the project has been designed with contemporary architecture, beautifully landscaped open spaces, and thoughtfully planned homes that offer both luxury and functionality. Whether you are upgrading to a larger home or looking for a premium investment, Prestige Raintree Park offers a wide range of spacious configurations to suit different family needs. And talking about the location, so Whitefield East is one of the Bangalore's most established residential and IT destination, making it a preferred choice for both home buyers and investors. The Whitefield metro station is just around 10 minutes away from the project. ITPL, EPIP zone and Kodagodi are also approximately 10 minutes away. If you commute towards the Outer Ring Road or Marathahally, both can be reached in about 20 minutes. KR Puram railway station is around 25 minutes away, while Kempagoda International Airport is approximately 15 minutes away from the project. And this excellent connectivity makes everyday travel much more convenient, especially for professionals working in Bangalore's IT corridor. And now let's take a look at the lifestyle amenities. So Prestige Raintree Park offers a wide range of world-class amenities designed for every age group. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a children play area, an indoor games room, multiple sport courts, and a dedicated yoga and wellness zone. And these amenities have been thoughtfully planned to create a balanced lifestyle where fitness, recreation, and relaxation are all part of your everyday residences. And talking about the homes, the project offers multiple spacious configuration. The 3.5 BHK residences range from 2,225 to 2,400 square feet, with the prices starting from 3.50 crore rupees onwards. The 4 BHK homes with the study and maids room starting with a carpet area of 2,451 to 2,588 square feet, with the prices starting from 3.80 crore rupees onwards. And talking about the 4.5 BHK with a maid's room, offers sizes between 2,900 to 2,956 square feet, price starting from 4.38 crore rupees onwards. For buyers looking for even large homes, there is also a 4 BHK with a studio offering around 3,500 to 3,700 square feet, price starting from 5.12 crore rupees onwards. Across all configuration, you will find spacious living and dining areas, large balconies, premium quality finishes, excellent natural light, cross ventilation, and thoughtfully designed layouts. And selected residences also offer dedicated study rooms, studio spaces, and maid's room for added convenience. Another highlight for the project is the flexible payment plan. Under the 50-50 payment plan, you pay just 10% at the time of booking and 40% within 90 days, and the remaining 50% at the time of possession. The expected possession for the project is December 2029, and Prestige Raintree Park offers spacious luxury home, premium amenities, excellent connectivity, and the trusted legacy of Prestige Group, all in one of the Bangalore's most sought after location. Whether you're buying your dream home or looking for a strong long-term investment, this project offers the perfect combination of luxury, location, and lifestyle. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.